Hey everyone, and welcome to my BitPay crypto card review. Want more details? Check out the links below. In this video, we'll explore the BitPay card's features, who it's best for, and my personal take. The BitPay card is a prepaid debit card letting you convert crypto to dollars and spend anywhere MasterCard is accepted. Known for its simplicity and flexibility, you can load Bitcoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, and various stablecoins. It's not just for crypto purchases, use it for everyday spending like a regular debit card. The app is straightforward, showing real-time exchange rates so you know exactly what you're spending. BitPay boasts low fees, no monthly fee, and reasonable ATM withdrawal costs. There's a one-time issuance fee, but no recurring charges. Security is key. BitPay uses EMV chip technology and lets you instantly lock or unlock your card via the app. Perfect for crypto holders wanting spending freedom without the bank hassle. It's especially great for frequent spenders, travelers, or those wanting to easily spend crypto earnings. In my experience, the BitPay card delivers on convenience. Transactions are smooth, loading funds is fast, and the app is intuitive for both crypto newbies and experts. One thing to note is the small crypto to fiat conversion fee, common with most crypto cards, but offset by its usability and low cost. Overall, the BitPay card is a solid choice for integrating crypto into your everyday spending. Ready to get started? Check the links in the description.